crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it is day 17 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent box, right? So I have been pretty happy this year with that box. I originally purchased it because I wanted to was really interested in having the box because I wanted that coffee mug, right? And was in hopes that that was going to be part of the box this year. And it was. So it was day 5. But we're all the way up now to day 17. So, guys, I mean, we're right at the cusp of that old Saint Nick guy showing up. So, how cool is that getting? All right, let's take a look. Day 17. And let's see what Jenny and team came up with for us this year. So let me toss that over there. And this is the Missouri Star LED string lights. And if I remember right, I do believe we got string lights last year from them, but I won't swear to that. I won't promise that I remember that. But this says requires 2 AA batteries. They're not included. It was manufactured specifically for Missouri Star Quilt. And again, it is vanity, produced, right? It's got their logo in that, which is cool. I mean, when you get the size of Missouri Star Quilt, you can have all of this kind of fun stuff done with your logo. So how cool is that to have those, have these lights, these string lights produced? Now, what that tells me is I probably need to go to Dollar Tree and get a really cool vase in that, and I could really make these probably cute and displayed in the right setting. So we'll figure out what we're going to do with those. It's a nice gift. It's kind of cool. I use tea lights for different things in that because, right, we make wreaths. So it may be that I can end up doing a small evergreen wreath and using these as the light function on there and maybe make it like a quilter's wreath. So I don't know, just thinking out loud. So there are different ways that I can use these. It's a nice gift. Again, it's not one of those that wow me compared to some of the other things that we've gotten this year, but it's still a nice gift. And this was not necessarily a cheap gift. So I'm anxious to kind of put the batteries in, see how these work. This is 7 feet long. So if I do a small evergreen wreath, it may be perfect. And who knows, next year you may see that wreath hanging behind me with Missouri Star on there. So, guys, I appreciate that you dropped in, gave me a few minutes of your day. I hope you will please do all those things that make YouTube algorithm very happy and give me a thumbs up. Please leave comments. I always try to respond back to all and every comment that I receive in that. And again, I hope you're having an amazing week and are ready for St. Nicholas, who will be here very soon. As always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.